Have you ever wondered how milk powder is made? It's a question that might have crossed your mind as you stirred that spoonful into your coffee. It's such a common household item, but few of us know the journey it takes to get from the farm to our pantry. It's a fascinating process, really, involving science, technology, and a whole lot of milk. So buckle up, milk lovers. Well, you're about to find out. Get ready for a journey from the cow to your cup. Our journey begins at the dairy farm, where it all starts with fresh milk. Quality milk is the cornerstone of delicious milk powder. Farmers work diligently milking their healthy cows, ensuring we get the best raw material, but it doesn't end there. Each batch of milk undergoes rigorous testing and treatment to ensure it meets high standards. It's a dance of science and nature, setting the stage for the magic that follows. Once the milk passes the quality checks, it's ready for the next step, pasteurization. Now we're off to the pasteurization process, where the milk is heated to kill bacteria. Picture this. The milk is flowing into large stainless steel vats, ready to be heated. The heat applied during this stage is intense, usually around 160 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 seconds. This process, named after Louis Pasteur, is crucial as it eliminates harmful bacteria that could potentially cause illness. It's like sending the milk through a fiery gauntlet, where only the strongest, safest components survive. Not only does pasteurization ensure safety, but it also extends the shelf life of the milk, making it a twofold win. And don't worry, this intense heat doesn't diminish the nutritional value of the milk. The vitamins and minerals are still there, ready to be packed into that milk powder you love. With the harmful bacteria gone, the milk is now safe and ready for the next stage, evaporation. The next stop in our journey is the evaporation process. Here we have a machine aptly named the evaporator, the unsung hero of the milk powder making process. Its task? To remove a significant portion of the water content from the milk, turning it into a concentrated, thick liquid. Imagine it like making a cup of strong tea. You're brewing the leaves longer, extracting more flavor. In this case, we're brewing the milk, so to speak, to extract the water. Why do we do this? To make the drying process that comes next a lot easier and more efficient. Think about it. Drying a puddle will be quicker than drying an entire lake, right? That's the same principle we're applying here. We're reducing our lake of milk to a puddle, making it ready for drying. Now that we have a concentrated milk solution, it's time for the final step, the drying process. Finally, we arrive at the drying process, where the magic happens. Let's delve into the details, shall we? The concentrated milk solution, which we left off with in the previous stage, is now ready to be transformed into powder. This is done by spray drying, a fascinating process that feels a bit like a science experiment. Imagine this. The milk solution is sprayed into a hot chamber. It's almost like a mist. The droplets are so fine. This chamber is incredibly hot, causing the water in the milk to evaporate almost instantly. What's left behind? Tiny particles of milk powder. But we're not done just yet. These particles are then collected from the bottom of the chamber. They're whisked away on a conveyor belt, ready to be packaged. This is where things get really precise. The packaging process is meticulously monitored to ensure that every bag or can is filled with the exact amount of milk powder. No more, no less. It's all about accuracy here. Once the packaging is sealed, it's ready to be shipped off to stores around the globe. From there, it can end up in your kitchen, ready to be used in your favorite recipes or a simple cup of hot milk. And there you have it. That's how milk powder is made. From the cow to your cup. It's quite a journey, isn't it? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more interesting content. So now you know the journey of milk from the farm to a powdered form. We've seen how it starts with our bovine friends, gets sanitized through pasteurization, loses its water content in evaporation, and finally gets transformed into the shelf-stable powder we know and love. Each step crucial, ensuring we get a safe, nutritious product. We hope you've enjoyed this journey as much as we have. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe for more exciting and informative videos. Stay curious.